Use the following procedure. Press the center of your palms with your thumb to facilitate your concentration. Concentrate or focus your attention at the center of the palm that will be used for drawing in pranic energy for about 10 to 15 seconds. This is to partially activate the hand chakra, enhancing its ability to draw in pranic energy. If you intend to draw in pranic energy through your left hand, then concentrate at its center. Place the other hand near the affected part and concentrate simultaneously at the centers of both hands. If you intend to project with your right hand chakra, then place your right hand near the affected part. Maintain a distance of about 3 to 4 inches away from the patient. Continue concentrating or focusing your attention at the centers of your palms until the patient is sufficiently energized. For simple cases, this may take about 5 to 15 minutes for beginners. When energizing or projecting prana, you must rule or form an initial intention directing the projected prana to go to the affected chakra and then to the affected part. It is a critical factor that the projected prana be directed to the affected part. This will produce a much faster rate of relief and healing. Just energizing the affected chakra without willing or directing the pranic energy to go to the affected part would result in a slower distribution of prana or vital energy from the treated chakra to the affected part, thereby producing a much slower rate of relief and healing. The left and right armpits should be slightly open to allow easier flow of prana from one hand chakra to the other hand chakra. There should be an initial expectation or intention to draw in prana from one hand chakra to the affected part and to project prana from the other hand chakra. Once the initial intention or expectation has been formed, there is no need to further consciously expect or will to project. The initial expectation and concentration on the two hand chakras causes prana to be automatically drawn in through one of the hand chakras and projected out through the other hand chakra. It is important to concentrate properly on both the left and right hand chakras. Success depends upon this. To concentrate more on the projecting hand chakra, not to give the receiving hand chakra sufficient concentration, would tend to weaken and exhaust the healer. If you feel slight pain or discomfort on your hand while energizing, flick your hand to throw away the absorbed diseased bioplasmic matter. When energizing, the hand should be flicked regularly to throw away the diseased bioplasmic matter. Energizing should be continued until the treated part is sufficiently energized. The affected part has enough prana if you feel a slight repulsion coming from the treated area, or if you feel a gradual cessation of the flow of prana from your palm to the treated area. The flow of prana may feel like a warm moving current or just plain subtle moving current. The feeling of slight repulsion or cessation of flow is due to the equalization of pranic energy levels between your hand and the treated area. For beginners, energizing with prana may take 5 to 15 minutes for simple cases and about 30 minutes for more severe cases. Cross-check whether the treated area is sufficiently energized by simply rescanning the inner aura of the treated part. If it is not, then energize further until the treated part has sufficient prana. If the treated part is highly over-energized, apply distributive sweeping to prevent possible pranic congestion. This is done by sweeping the excess prana with your hands to the surrounding area. Cross-check the result by scanning. If the treated part is slightly over-energized by 3 inches, then just leave it as is. Prana or chi may also be projected through the fingers or finger chakras rather than through the hand chakra. The prana coming out from the finger chakras is more intense. If the projected prana is too intense, the patient may feel pain and a boring or penetrating sensation that is quite unnecessary. It would be better to master energizing through the hand chakras before trying to energize through the finger chakras. In energizing with prana, visualization is helpful but not necessary. Just relax and calmly concentrate on the hand chakras. The result will automatically follow. The technique is simple, easy, and quite effective. Try it and judge for yourself. In drawing in prana, there are several possible positions: reaching for the sky pose, Egyptian pose, and casual pose. In the reaching for the sky pose, if you intend to draw in pranic energy through the left hand chakra, raise your left arm and turn the palm upward as shown in figure. The act of raising the arm upward is like that of unbending a water hose. There is a meridian or bioplasmic channel in the armpit area which is connected to the left and right hand chakras. The unbending of this meridian allows prana to flow with minimum resistance. The act of concentrating on the left hand chakra is like turning on the water pump. By concentrating on the left hand chakra is activated and draws in a lot of prana.